What's up, you guys? Little update on our truck over here. We're putting on some posts here. We're gonna put a little roof over here. We're cementing around the whole thing. So the way this lot works, you guys, is that there are 3x3 meter spots. So like if you guys see this spot right here, this is actually one spot. So they can't go any further. They can't go any further each side. So some people said turn your truck the other way, put some seats behind there and shit. Guys, we cannot do that. The way this is the way it is. It's the truck is a little over 2 meters, so we only have 1 meter left over, and they said it's okay for us to put some seats around, but not really to put like a permanent roof. So even the roof we're gonna put over here, it's gonna be like a temporary. We're gonna put a tarp, basically a tarp on that side, but we cemented this side so we can put another table here, so we can have 2 tables here. We're cementing this over here also, this way here, okay, because sometimes if it really rains, it really goes inside the truck. So we're going a little further than we're supposed to, actually, But that's what we're gonna do. So we're cementing all of this right here, cementing that, so when it does rain, come down the way it's been. It is the rain season, you guys, so it does really get really wet over here and very uncomfortable. And we've had a couple people come and chill and hang out still, even when it rained pretty badly, so which is very surprising. And you guys, what I was trying to do? I was trying to get this lot over here. I talked to the owner because originally when we first came over here, that was the whole deal. I wanted this corner lot right there. That's the corner lot that I wanted. Put our truck right against the road, and then build like a sitting area. And what I was told is that only renting this as one full unit. So it's 300 square meters, goes all the way to the end there. And there's about 12 different parcels that they're kind of dividing it up into. And it's 60,000 pesos a month. It's not something that, we can afford, even if we divvy it up and then, rented the other 10 units out. I don't know how long it's going to take before they get rented out, and collecting rent and things like that. Those are very, very, very stressful things to do. So we've decided just screw it. We're just going to put a bit of a sitting area around here. It's not going to be much, but I can still fit, like, really at the end I can fit probably like 6 tables, 7 tables if I really wanted to. And it's going to be covered, right? So it is going to be covered up top here, up to here. So we're putting a railing here. So we have these railings right here. They're going to go up from the top to the top here, and then we're going to put a tarp on there because we can't put anything permanent. It's basically something like these guys all here have over here. If you guys see over here, this is like a parking area, right? But the people that kind of run these joints here, they all put posts up, and then they put like a temporary tarp on top. So we're allowed to do that, but we just can't put anything permanent. So we're deciding to do what we can for now around here until we can't anymore. Because if somebody does, rent that other place out, and somebody does, start building over here. And the reason we can't, you guys, because this right here is actually a road right here. So this is a road right here. And then another one is on this side right here. So this right here where those tricycles are, and that part is over there, this is actually a road right here. So we can't be building anything over here that's permanent, and I've had a lot of people suggesting, dude, put like some tarps on behind, kind of where our car is right here, put some seating over here. Well, if we do that, we have to rent this out. And we were thinking about renting it out, but it's going to be another 3,000 pesos a month for us to rent another 3x3 lot. And, right now we're just not making enough money. We're just not making enough. We're not busy enough. to start, renting out more space, So we got to do what we can kind of do over here with what we have. But having a little bit of a roof over here is going to be very important, because it does rain over here. It really, really comes down very hard. And, we even get wet inside the truck when we have the windows open. And you can't have the windows closed or no one's going to see you. Plus, it gets so hot in there, you guys. It gets pretty ridiculous, So, yeah, but that's the update so far on the truck. So, like I said, this is a meter out. 1 meter out that we're doing. It's just enough to fit the table. So, we can probably put, like I said, one more table over here with some chairs. I'm thinking one more table right here with some chairs. And if it's nice out and, we get busy or something, we can put it outside. Like, we don't need to have it under the roof, but it just would be very, very nice to have a roof over this place. Some people mention an awning and stuff like that, so that's basically it. That's basically going to be an awning. Awnings are very expensive to put down, right? So, and over here, and if we really want to, we can put like one more table over here or something like that. But I just don't see us being busy when it rains, right? When it does rain, maybe if you're in a restaurant like those guys kind of have, you can, people will come down and go inside and things like that. But this whole middle strip right here is for food carts, basically, and just food stands. So that was their idea. But this whole strip right here, this is a very, very big strip. It's 300 square meters, and we were given an opportunity to rent this, but it's $60,000 a month. And I actually talked to somebody else, another expat over here. I wanted to see if he'd be interested in, doing a deal with me where, we take it together. And he's kind of a big businessman, he's all about numbers. He's got a few investments over here. And he was just saying that getting a contract to actually stick, for the people to actually, be honorable with the contract, is very difficult over here. He's dealt with some. And then getting rent out of people is very, very difficult too. So he kind of shut that idea down. I'm not totally upset or anything like that, because, I would have had to be at like, even if you went, 1/3, 2/3 type of deal, I'd still be in for like $20,000 a month or something like that for this place. And then I would get my primo spot. Then I would get that spot right there. I would build a sitting area around there and things like that. But for now, I think we're just gonna leave things as they are. We do have lights actually over here that I'm gonna bring out in a second. Maybe I'll take a picture, show you guys how it looks with the lights on. But once the roof goes up over here and gets cemented, I think it's just gonna be a little bit nicer, a little bit more representable. And also we got signs. So we did make signs. We just haven't had time to pick them up. We've been kind of dealing with this all day today, picking up parts, picking up pipes and gravel and sand and cement and things like that. So it's been a little bit of a gong show today for us, but that's what it is, running a small little business. You got to be doing so many little things, and you got to be hands-on all the time. So, but yeah, it's Wednesday. We still showed up today. We're at about 8 pies right now. Hopefully this lady right here is going to come here and order a pizza. Who knows? Let's see what she does. We'll put her in a spot. But yeah, and this is the this is the main road, and this place does get very, very, very busy over here. It's getting a little bit darker. I was talking about moving over there. We still haven't talked to the owners, but I just heard that they're putting a Jollibee's in there. So I know that the rent over there, and even if we do move over there, is going to be extreme. It's going to be as high as rent gets. It's not going to be what we're paying now, that is for sure. So I think for now what we're going to do is kind of stick with what we have, do what we got over here, deal with the situation that we have. Like I said, this little guy over here, we want to light it up a little bit more. Munchkin in there, plugging away, grating some cheese. Yeah, so like I said, we got signs for the road, for the main road over here. We did get signs. So we got a sign this size right here, 4 feet by 6 feet. We're gonna put right here. We'll do a little video maybe doing all that tomorrow. So that should be pretty fun. And then, like I said, we'll light it up. We'll light this place up a little bit so it does feel a little bit more welcoming. Put a little bit of a roof on here and make it seem like it's an inviting place, because if it does, if it's dark or if it rains or anything like that, I think that it can be a little bit misleading, this truck just being sitting in the middle over here and not doing much over here. So yeah, but that's that, you guys. I don't know, leave your comments. We love comments. We live you guys' advice. We definitely take some, for sure, 100%. Some is just not what we can do. Like I said, people are saying turn the truck the other way and things like that. Well, we can't do any of that. The way the truck is sitting is the way it's sitting permanently. The lots are that size over there, so it's 3x3. So we actually have 2 lots, and normally they're 3,500 pesos. We have 2 lots that should be 7,000, but they gave us a deal at 6,000 pesos a month. So we're paying 6,000 right now. And yeah, we'll see kind of what the next few months brings. We were thinking about changing locations and things like that, but with prices of everything, I think everything is just going to cost us more. We are starting to be a little bit established over here, so I think that's going to be a good thing. As long as we kind of stay here and we go through our first year, I think we have to really suck it up and bite down on a mouth guard, man, and just keep pushing forward. You know what I mean? That's what we got to do for the next 12 months, and then see what happens. See if anything really good comes out of it. But for now, this is kind of where we are. A little bit of an upgrade to the truck. Very exciting though, very exciting. Even putting this little roof on, you guys, putting a little bit of cement. Like I said, I think we're gonna get 2 more benches and some more seats over here, just so, because when it's slow, nobody's here. But sometimes when it does get busy and people want to come here and 2 families come, if one family comes, they got to grab seats from the other side, and we're kind of like, I think we have like 6 chairs, so if a family of 5 or something comes, or 6, and there's nothing left for anybody else, we'll get some more chairs and then bring them out as we need them, type of deal. But that's what it is, you guys. All right, peace out.